I'm going to show you how you can automatically translate your Google Docs document in just a few steps. So if you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So Google has an inbuilt feature that will allow you to translate all your documents in just a click, and it has a list of a lot of different languages you can choose. So all you need to do is go to the tools, and right here you will see translate documents. So if you click there, you will see you can type a new title for your document. So for example, you can put the title of your file, but in, I don't know, Spanish for example, or French. So now we can choose a language. Let's say I want to translate it to, I don't know, French. You can click translate, and now another window will open with the same file but translated to the language you have chosen. So that's it. That's how easy you can translate files on Google Documents. So I hope it was helpful, and thanks for watching.